Chiapas.
This country represents a big climatic and biological diversity. Even some parts of its territory have been declared biosphere reserve for harboring several animals and plant species. In addition to the state of Chiapas, some Mesoamerican cultures developed like Epilomeca, Maya, and Mocaya. We are going to talk about two touristic areas, the archaeological site of Palenque and the Agua Azul waterfalls. And we guarantee you that you will love it until the cows come home.
The archaeological site of Palenque. It is one of the most interesting archaeological cities of Mexico. To know it is to discover the soul of the Maya's world, is to understand riddles, beliefs, and admire the majestic architecture of our ancestors. This city was founded in 1567 by Fray Pedro Lorenzo de la Nada, who in 1573 gave the community Palenque 3 bells as a symbol of the foundation of his people. There is only one bell that is preserved, the largest one, that is in the church of the city, and it is distinguished as the only witness to the foundation. Palenque has been and is considered the most important ceremonial center of the Maya culture. The pre-Hispanic city and national park of Palenque were inscribed on the World Heritage List in 1987 as one of the major Mayan sites that exert its influence over other settlements in the Usumacinta River. In an area of 16 kilometers, over 200 architectural structures and constructions, among which are the Temple of the Inscriptions, Grand Palace, Temple 11, the temples of La Cruz Foliada, the Sun and the Court Rise, and the Ball Game.
Then we have the Agua Azul waterfalls, and there is just one word to describe them: breathtakingly. In this place, we have an amazing combination: a perfect green background with the blue water that it's impossible not to get hypnotized by them. You can visit the place just before Palenque because one is near to the other. Actually, this is a river that descends from the top in a stairway, forming these little waterfalls or curtains, and their beautiful color is given thanks to some kind of salts that are in the water. Here, you can do so many things. For example, swim, but only in the special designed areas for your safety. Have a picnic, eat Mexican food, have a walk, or you can just admire the incredible view. As you will imagine, this isn't a home from home. It's even better. In this place, you will find some bungalows or some cottage, not luxurious, but you will be at home with them. So you can rent them. Imagine waking up in the jungle with the sound of these waterfalls.
One of the general advantages of Chiapas is that almost everything is cheap. For example, here in Agua Azul, you can eat for just $2. Another thing that is very important here is that people take care of the place, so you can know it as it is nowadays. In consequence, littering is prohibited. Also, you can't swim if you have sunscreen cream because it pollutes the water, so once there you will see a lot of wardens, and if you ignore these little rules, you can be issued with a fine, or even worse, you can be banned.
So, in behalf of so many travelers, we can say that Chiapas is an ideal place to have a little vacation because you will be in touch with a socio-cultural environment. Because all the Mayan legacy, that is one of the most important legacies, not only for Mexicans, but for the whole world. And also with the natural environment, having fun in the waterfalls.
Thanks for watching!